Welcome to 1525 Diefenbaker Court, number 404 in Pickering. Classy and divine. Village at the Pines. Introducing this spacious three-bedroom condo with gleaming floors throughout. Freshly painted, sizable rooms. Master bedroom boasts a walk-through closet with private ensuite and beautiful bay window. Large second and third bedrooms equipped with bright views and double closets. Entertain with confidence in open concept dining area with walkout to private and quaint balcony. Pride of ownership is evident. Includes 2 parking spots. Don't miss out. Call today for a viewing.